Hello everyone, welcome to APIKA Learning Zone. In this video, we will learn about microorganisms. So let's start. Microorganisms. Organisms that are too small to be seen with the naked eye and can only be seen through a microscope are called microorganisms or microbes. They live in water, soil, and even inside our body. Microorganisms can be beneficial or harmful. What is a microscope? An instrument which is used to view objects that are too small to be seen with the naked eye. Types of microorganisms. This slide shows the types of microorganisms. Number 1, algae. Number 2, viruses. Number 3, bacteria. Number 4, fungi. Number 5, protists. Bacteria. Bacteria are simple single-cell microorganisms. They are present everywhere. Fungi. Have you ever noticed green mold appearing on stale bread? They are called fungi. Stale bread, yeast, and mushroom are examples of fungi. Viruses. Viruses are smallest microorganisms. They are so small they cannot be seen through light microscope. To observe viruses, scientists use an electron microscope. An example of viruses is a COVID. Viruses are regarded as non-living. This table shows the communicable diseases, their mode of transmission, causative agents, how to prevent these communicable diseases. Number 1, yeast infection, mode of transmission, direct contact with infected people, causative agents, fungus, how to prevent, eat yogurt that contains active cultures. Number 2, fungal pneumonia, mode of transmission, air, causative agents, fungus, how to prevent, use mask and avoid dusty areas. Communicable diseases, flu, mode of transmission, air, causative agents, virus, how to prevent, vaccination, polio. Mode of transmission, air and water, causative agents, virus, how to prevent, vaccination. Communicable diseases, last, pink eye, mode of transmission, air, causative agents, virus, how to prevent, ensure personal hygiene, avoid contact with infected person. So these are the brainstorm questions. You can answer them in the comment. What is microbiology? Thank you. For more interesting videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.